Hi everybody, my name is Erica. Welcome back to Work Right Planner, and today we are going to talk about the lessons I have learned opening my sticker shop. The sticker shop is actually a whole lot of fun. I have needed a creative outlet for a while now, and I'm really enjoying making the stickers. I am a bit on the nerdy side. I love budgeting, I love numbers, and I love planning. So even though I wasn't really much on a decorative side of things, and I didn't use stickers at all before COVID hit, I still planned, and I like having my plan. I like being able to see it and the visual representation of my time, and I did color coding and that kind of thing. I just didn't do stickers. And being sent home where I could play YouTube while I was working gave me the opportunity to be introduced to the planner community. Oh, you all can see my cat, I'm sorry. Say hi, Prissy. I got introduced to the planner community and I love it. I am so addicted to watching the planner shops, watching how you all plan, getting ideas from you. I absolutely love it. But what I have learned in trying to open a shop, the first thing I would say is that Etsy really needs better training videos about making your listings, because I got tripped up on the shipping thing. I knew that I wanted to offer the free shipping for orders over $35 because I look for that when I'm shopping, so I want to make sure that I offer that to you all. But it took me like a long time to figure out how to do that in my shop, and none of the videos that I found that they had put out addressed that. They talked about making shipping profiles, but they didn't, and they talked about the importance of free shipping, but they didn't talk about exactly how to do it. Number two is I really need some photography classes. I think photography is not my thing. I am really not good at taking pictures. My fiance is awesome at it, but he owns his own business and has a lot to do, so it's not like I can be like, hey honey, take these pictures for me. The cameras really pick up weird colors because it doesn't look exactly right. I don't know anything about photo editing, so I'm really going to have to work on that. My third lesson for this month is that my ideas are much more abundant than my time, and that was really throwing me off, and it was making me hit my goals. Like, I wanted to have a launch video where I launched the shop, but my schedule just didn't allow for me to do that, which means that my shop went live, but nobody knew about it. By the way, the shop is active. Now I am keeping a running list of things that I would like to add to the shop, and I am making a schedule that I think I can keep up with as far as how to make the next month's new releases, and limiting myself and trying not to get everything out at the same time, because I wanted all of the scripts that I might could use, and then I was thinking about all the scripts that I might have used when my children were smaller, and in lots of extracurriculars and anything that you guys might need, and I was trying to have it all out on the first run, and it was just a whole lot of work, and I wasn't getting anywhere. Like, I spent months and months and months putting that stuff together, when really I should have just made what I could make and launched my shop. So take that lesson from me. Don't try to do everything at once. Do something is better than nothing, and launch the shop. My last thing that I wanted to talk about for July is that this undertaking actually costed a whole lot more than what I realized, and more than what I was seeing people say online. Thank God for birthday money and Christmas money and stimulus checks, because otherwise, I'm engaged now and my fiance lives with me now, but if I were still on a single income, even with my kids grown and out of the house, there is no way that I could have afforded to start this endeavor. I just couldn't have. there wasn't enough money for it. So, and if you don't believe me, you'll get an idea of where my money's going if you watch my budget with me in my debt confession video. I'll link those in the cards because, yeah. Anyway, part of it not being profitable yet is my mishandling of the launch. And I say yet, at the time of filming this video, it is not profitable yet. I have put a lot of money into getting it started over the course of several months, almost a year. It's been 11 months since I started looking into this. It is what it is. Now, let's go to my desk and I will show you exactly how much I have put into this so far before my shop ever made its first sale. Let's go. Okay, so now I'm going to let you all see the most important lesson that I've learned so far from having a sticker shop. This month is the first month that I have sat down and really done a month-by-month assessment of how much I've been investing in my side hustle. And of course, this is before July ever gets started, really. But I'm going to just line this out for you. So we've got August of 2020 was when I started getting interested in it. I spent $15.89. September of 2020, I spent $62.42. October of 2020, I spent $42.39. November 2020, I spent $55.26. December of 2020, I spent just Canva. Okay, so these numbers aren't terribly large, but it's still a lot of money in my budget. And then came January, and I took all of my Christmas money and birthday money and sank it into the equipment. Now, I am sure, oh, that's 2021, sorry. I am sure that most people are not going to take this long to really ramp up, but I already worked 2 jobs. So it was, and right here, my daughter moved in with us and had a brand new grandbaby in tow. So things really like came to a screeching halt there for a while. February is $224.94. March 2021, I spent $568. Now luckily I had income taxes and we got stimulus checks right in there, so it's not like I dipped into my savings for this, you guys, but I did invest my stimulus money. May 2021, we're back down to double digits. And then June, I ordered a crap ton of auto blades and sticker paper and cutting mats. And yeah, back in the 3s. And all of this adds up to, let me scoot this up so you can see it, $2,071.18. I hope you can see that. Let me move this for you because I think the legs of my tripod are in the way. $2,071.18. The sun is highlighting it for you. So, yeah. I watched a lot of videos that said that this was not an expensive endeavor, but I don't think that they counted everything that they were getting for this purpose. You know, I've had to invest in camera gear. ring lights. I had to get a whole new desk, a new printer, you know, the cutting machine and all the stuff that goes with it. And it's just, yeah, it's been pricey. So I'm going to track this and use this paper. You know, down here at the bottom, I will add anything that I buy for July. And when I roll it into August, there will be a line item July 2021 and everything that I spent in July. And all of those, instead, they'll be starting beginning number 0, and they'll have adding, so my total for July will be here. As I earn money from my side hustle, it will begin and pay myself the salary. It will begin deducting from these numbers so that hopefully at some point I stop adding line items and I start reducing the ones up here and paying that off. I am not going to consider my side business as lucrative until I pay off my initial investments into it. So hopefully eventually this becomes 0. I'm really looking forward to it. We will see how this goes. Thank you for coming along on my journey. It really means a lot. I enjoy getting to talk to you all. Drop me some comments if you'd like. If there's anything you're interested in, any questions you have, feel free to reach out. I'm pretty much an open book. So thank you all. Have a great day. Bye.